Hello, I'm Frank. Today I will show you a lace front wig, 20 inches. This wig unites the back of the head, this part, the machine through part. This wig unites back of the head, the machine through part. It is density 180. As you can see how much hair it is. And 20 inches, how long it looks like if you wear a wig, if you're more or less like me. I'm 5 feet 8 inches high. This wig unites the front, the forehead part, the lace part. It is density 150. Natural hairline, pre-plucking, baby hair. The front part it is 4 inches and ear to ear, 12 inches. Natural black. This front wig. If you like it, please message me.